everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to crop videos in CapCut. So if you also want to crop videos in CapCut, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So after you've opened the CapCut application, you'll be able to see the option for create project over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see the option for import. All you have to do is click on it. Now import the video that you want to crop. Simply select the video. Now click on the open option. Now what you have to do is drag this video over here. So if you want to crop the video according to the ratio, you can see the option for ratio over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now here you'll be able to see several ratios. Click on the option of your choice. Now your video will be cropped according to the ratio. But if you want to crop the video yourself, look at the timeline. You can see several options over here. Here you'll be able to see this kind of icon. This is the icon for crop. All you have to do is click on it. Now from here too, you'll be able to crop your video. You can see over here, you can crop your video like this. You can crop it horizontally, you can crop it vertically. Now simply click on the confirm option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, your video has been cropped. So that is how you crop videos in CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.